Indue is a premium manufacturer and installer of industrial coatings. We work with over 95% of the top 25 food and beverage manufacturers all over the country. In this video, we highlight a recent project at a bakery in Wisconsin. Here's the floor before any prep work has been started. Since all of our materials are made in-house, we have a fleet of semis that deliver everything to the job site. Once on site, the semi parks at the dock door so that everything can be unloaded for the project. This particular project was just over 15,000 square feet and was completed during a 5-day plant shutdown. When our crew arrived on site, they started by jackhammering to get down to the existing substrate. Then the floor was mechanically prepped to open up the pores of the concrete in order for the new coating to be accepted. This footage shows the walk-behind grinder that was used. For less accessible areas, edges and terminations, handheld grinders are used as shown here. In preparation for the floor to be poured, all debris is removed and the floor is vacuumed. This footage is showing our Indue MT material being mixed in our mix room that was set up at the plant. As you can see, it is all a very time-sensitive process and precise measurements are required for each bucket that is complete. The buckets are then delivered to the installers. Then the product was hand-troweled onto the existing subfloor. Indue MT is the backbone product of our industrial flooring systems. It is a self-priming urethane cement that is trowel applied at a 1/4 inch to a 3/8 inch thickness, far more robust than the most traditional coating systems. Designed specifically to provide long service life in harsh conditions, MT sets the standard with regards to its ability to withstand thermal shock, impacts, abrasion, and chemical attack. After the material is troweled, it is then rolled with specialty rollers to ensure even textures and make sure there are no imperfections. This sand is broadcast to excess into the coating, creating a uniform non-slip texture. After the MT is cured, the team swept off any excess sand that was remaining on the coating. During this time, Indue Wall Cove was applied to the perimeter and vertical surfaces, creating a high-performance and hygienic cove. At this point, we will cut out control joints that were previously marked with chalk lines and honor existing saw cuts to allow the movement of the concrete to come up through the slab. Once we have opened up the control joints, we will install a 2-component polyurea joint filler. Finally, our industrial-strength urethane top coat is applied. The floor will then be ready for normal operations and foot traffic in 24 to 48 hours. And here's our final product. For more information on all of our systems or to get a quote on an upcoming project at your facility, visit our website at indue.com or give us a call at 800-577-6213.